Hello, beautiful angels. How are you guys doing? Hope you're having an amazing day. And today we're going to do the unboxing and try on of these. So this is the Elf Cosmetics and Chipotle collection. So I'm going to do the swatches and try on of their palette and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to leave the link for the giveaway in the description below as well. So do check that out. And if you really like the unboxing videos and who actually play around with makeup, do stick around. And if you haven't subscribed already, so do consider subscribing, and that would really help me and my channel grow, and it's free. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And now let's dive in. Open her up and see what we got. And I think their Chipotle collection has already been sold out. Like when I tried to look this morning for more details, and I was like, wow. Here is the elf eyeshadow palette, you guys. So this is how it looks. So here is the color story. That's really pretty and gorgeous palette, and each of this color represents like their Chipotle entities, like the lattice, gawk, corn salsa, and all of those selections that we could get. So this is like lattice, and this is gawk, and all of that, which is amazing. Wow, that's a really interesting collab. That is Chipotle with elf. Wow. Now let's see about this beauty. Spice things up with this 12-piece eyeshadow palette inspired by Chipotle line. This fresh spread of matte, shimmer and metallic shades are inspired by classic Chipotle ingredients, including white rice, brown rice, pinto beans, black beans, sofritas, fajitas, mild salsa, green salsa, hot salsa, corn salsa, gawk and lettuce. And this retails for $16. And I also got something else, that is Make It Hot lip gloss, and this one retails for $8. And about this beauty, this lip plumping gloss will have your pout looking extra saucy with a tint of red hot salsa color. The high shine formula also delivers a mild yet alluring tingling sensation, making your lips feel fuller, smooth, and hydrated. And they also do have this sponge like makeup gawk face sponge set, which retails for $10. It's an avocado shaped sponge with angled and round sides and a mini pit shaped sponge for hard to reach areas. And it do also have the ice chips face makeup bag, and this one retails for $18. And this is a makeup bag and designed to look just like a Chipotle's tortillas chip bag. Well, that's all the things. Now let's look into this beauty swatches and try on good stuff. I'm going to use this elf putty primer in white, and I think there is just like three of them. Those are like mattes, that is this lattice and pinto beans and black beans, and remaining all are like shimmer kind of eyeshadow, but still I want to go with mild salsa to my crease. I just want to see how that looks. Wow, that might be a lot of fallout, but I'm going to see. Just packing the color, since this is like more of a shimmer, I don't want to have any fallout. Now I'm going to go in with a lattice with a flat blending brush. I'm just going to pack this color. I'm going to blend it in. We are going to cut the crease using the same elf white putty. I want to go in with this, so that is corn salsa and white rice to my like cut crease. That's really pretty. Just going to apply white rice in with lattice. These are the crystals that I actually got off of Amazon. Kind of bedazzling my eye look. So here is the complete eye look, and I really like how it turned out. Now let's see about this beauty. So that is Elf Chipotle, and this lip gloss. Let's see how this is. It has that tingling sensation. So this is my complete look. Since we went like really extra for the eye look, I kept like a really simple for my lips. And well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.